Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate 3D contour lines from a 3D terrain model in Archicad. If you don't know where to download your 3D topographic data file, head over to TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. Let's get started. First, using the Morph tool, I draw a rectangle slightly larger than the footprint of the terrain. Then I switch to the 3D view and select the rectangular plane I just created. To activate the Multiply tool, press Ctrl U to activate in the pop-up window. I choose Elevate, then Spread. Since I want to generate contour lines at a 1 meter interval, I leave the default parameters as it is and click OK. Now I delete the unnecessary cutting planes. Next, I select the remaining cutting planes, go to Design and click on Solid Element Operations. As you can see, the cutting planes are already listed as targets. Now I select the terrain and click Add as Operator. Then I choose the operation Intersection and click Execute. As you can see, the cutting plane have intersected the terrain, producing 3D contour lines. To make these contour lines editable, I select them and choose Convert Selection to Morphs. Click OK. Next, I hide the 3D terrain model so the contour lines are clearly visible. All 3D contour lines are now visible. To better visualize the result, I switch to the white model rendering style. Finally, I ungroup the model so I can select and edit each contour line individually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.